Monday, February 10th, 3:09 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. Going to go over my day trades I took this morning. Day trades, scalping the S&P 500 futures. Took two trades. Both were bullish. Happy camper. Took screenshots. Look at the screenshots. First, let me show you this. On the left, because the market's still open right now, left top watch list, the stop indexes, most of them are green. The middle watch list on the left, the 11 sectors, most of them are green. And the bottom watch list on the left, significant 7, most of them are green. Let's go over to the screenshots now. This was taken at 7:15 a.m. in the morning on the ES 5-minute chart. Left top green area is the Asian session. The middle, purple, London session. The bottom gray is the imbalance area from the close of Friday, New York, and the open Sunday night of the futures. Yellow horizontal lines are key swing points I labeled off my 5 minutes. So at that time, 7:15, look at that, still inside the range. Yellow candle. Again, 7:15 a.m. This is my radar screen. Same product, S&P 500 futures, 4 grids. Far right, the daily. Second from the right, 4-hour. Far left, second from the far left, the 1-hour. And the last on the far left, the 15-minute. Multiple time frames. Very important to me. Looking at key price levels, where I'm looking for prices to have a reaction one way or the other, positive or negative. So far right grid on the daily chart, I knew right away. We were trading green. We were inside the range of Friday. On the 4-hour, I saw we had the trending up, higher highs, higher lows, coming into that midpoint of that big red candle that went down. Above 60.50 and below big round number 6100. And on the 1-hour, we were in new consolidation. Overnight, we had that tight consolidation. Broke up, new consolidation. Staircase pattern, higher high. Nice. And on the 15-minute, same thing. Staircase pattern, higher high. I was leaning bullish bias. Well, I'll go to look at the major indexes, the 1-hour, the daily chart, the major indexes. Far left, S&P 500, the middle, the Nasdaq 100, and the far right, the YM on the daily chart. So at 7:16 in the morning, all three had current daily candles green, but they were all lower high from Friday. But again, they were green above Friday's close, which was that red candle. Leaning bullish bias. Take it to intraday time frame. The 4-hour, same thing. Each of them on the 4-hour, trending up, showing bullish bias. On the 1-hour, same thing. They're making staircase patterns higher highs on the 1-hours since the overnight. And I take it down to the 15-minute. Yeah, very nice. Right off the bat here, it was showing me they were all trading better than the Asian and London session. That's nice. They were strong. Zero 749. 5-minute chart, the S&P 500 futures. Trading above the London session. Key consolidation, pretty much since the 6:30 time frame, coming up to the 7:49. And so look at this 5-minute chart. Yellow horizontal line on top, swing high. The far right, those vertical lines, gray, just let me know, coming closer to the top of the hour, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then the yellow vertical line, the New York session. Zero 750, getting closer to the top of the hour, which would be 8 o'clock. Yeah. See that 4-hour chart, the second one from the right, getting closer to that imbalance area. On the 1-hour chart, the second from the left, still far away from the 1-hour. And the 15-minute, the far left grid, consolidation. Again, this is on a different monitor I'm looking at than for my faster time frames, the 1 and 5 minute. Now we're looking at 0759. Left chart 1 minute, right chart 5 minute. At 1 minute broke above that swing high. That's good. That's alert to me. My alert went off. Looking for that trade to enter. Looking for that trade to enter. Bullish. Not buying this breakout. I'm waiting for a pullback. Top of the hour, 0800. So that means the two grids on the left, the 15-minute, done, new 15-minute candle, and the 1 hour, done. Both of those, the 1 hour, the 15-minute, they already broke above their prior candle. Again, buyers buying at the new highs. 0801. Look at that left grid, 1 minute chart. So again, that first candle that broke above that green one, that's the high. The candle after that, the next 1 minute, white candle. White candles on my computer program mean they open and close the same, indecision. And the next candle, the current one, red, lower low, lower high. Not in the trade yet. Sitting my hands, waiting for the trigger. On the far right, the 5 minute, see that red candle? It did break the trading range. Watch this. But again, it's below. It's below. Has not made a new high yet. Not going in it yet. 0803, 1 minute chart on the left. Reversal. I went long. Yep, bullish. Went into the S&P 500 futures. It's that gray, second gray line. Vertical line. That's why I went long. Nice. 0810. So I changed that second gray vertical line to that longer dot one, so it stands out more. Yep. And since I went long, still in the trade, it's a consolidation here. Look at the grid to the far right, the 5 minutes, lower lows, lower highs, still hanging into that big green candle, that big green impulse candle up on the far right grid. Yep. So building energy for a further high, I believe. So I'm still in the trade. Haven't got stopped out yet. 0813. Nice. Look at that left grid. Broke above. New highs. Still in my position. Have gains now. Nice. 0814. 1 minute before that 5 minute candle gets done. Again, new highs on the 1 minute. Still in my position. Larger gains. Nice. 816. I'm out. Target. Took profits. Look at that 1 minute candle on the left. Right there. Got out. So that gray vertical line, big dots, that was my entry. And again, you can see the green line, got out. So had a nice run up, a nice extension. Good profits, good entry, good money management, good discipline, good job out of me. Thank goodness. On a Monday, positive mindset. That was my first trade. Got in 0803, got out 016. My entry was 6078 point quarter. My exit was 6081.50. Those are the price levels. Go on to the next trade. 817, just looking here at the radar. I had an alert on the 4 hour that we're already in that imbalance area. And again, the 1 hour still trending up. So I'm concerned because in that 4 hour, getting closer to a potential trade out there. 0832. Look at that 4 hour candle. Getting close to that midpoint of that big red candle. Still making higher highs, too. 0832. 1 minute candle on the left, two highs. So look at that green vertical line on the left grid. I closed there, which happened to be that white candle that means open and close the same. So I happened to close at the top of that trend, not knowing that till later on. And then look at those next candles, pull back, lower low, lower high. Good job out of me closing my position and taking real profits. In hindsight, sure, I left a lot of money on the table. Look how much higher we went. I'm scalping. I'm not marrying position for long term. So on the 5-minute, you can see nice run up. But you can also see on the 5-minute where I got out, that green vertical line, the next candle, red, lower low, lower high. Nice. 0839. My alert went off because that 4-hour candle tested that midpoint, that red horizontal line. I am getting ready for a potential trade idea now. Watching for a trigger. 0844. The 1-minute chart left, 5-minute chart on the right. That 5-minute chart, see those gray horizontal lines? I drew those right there off the 5-minute, but you can also see them on the 1-minute. Those are my imbalance areas. I'm looking for pullbacks in those for potential trade ideas. I'm bullish, looking for pullbacks to trade bullish. 0845, new 15-minute candle done. You see it on the far left. Look at that new yellow candle forming. And look at those green candles. The 2 last green candles, top left. Big wicks on the top. Yeah. While they're making new highs, people are not holding. I'm concerned up there. Might be a fast sell-off. So I'll be looking for a bearish trade. 9 o'clock, top of the hour. 9 o'clock means that 4-hour candle is done, the 1-hour candle is done, and the 15-minute candle done. But right here, looking at the 1-minute chart, the 5-minute chart. New high on the 1-minute. New high on the 5-minute. Market is strong. Bull. 9 o'clock on the radar screen. Like I said, the 4-hour candle. Look at that. Breaking above that midpoint on that 4-hour. Yeah, look at the 1-hour chart, the second one from the left. Now we're getting ready to test that imbalance area. And on the far left, 15-minute new high. 0911. 1-minute chart. We are now testing that imbalance area, that gray zone I drew off the 5-minute. Potential trade idea in there. That's why I was looking for it getting tested. 0912. Look at that 15-minute chart on the far left. Red candle. A lot of volatility. That 15-minute candle on the far left broke above and below that inside candle, yellow candle. A lot of volatility there. We already know why. I mentioned why. I showed those price levels. Yep. Again, opportunities trade bearish. I'm sitting on my hands. 0915. 15-minute chart on the left. Imbalance area being tested. Potential trade idea. Again, I'm more bullish bias, so I'm not looking to take shorts. Nope. Sitting in my hands waiting for these pullbacks. Again, 15-minute chart. Look at that. Far left grid. Balance area being tested. Potential reversal. Also, 15 minutes before the New York session opens. Okay, 9:15. Left chart. 1-minute chart. Broke below that imbalance area. I'm not in the trade. Sitting in my hands. Sellers are in control. And getting closer to the New York session open. 0925. Thank goodness I did not go long because we went down to lower imbalance area in the 5-minute. Look at this 1-minute chart forming that big wick, but getting ready to open at 5 minutes for the New York session. I am not in a position. Sit in my hands. 0929. 1 minute before the New York opens, looking at the radar screen. What's going on here? Far hour. Yep. Look at that red candle. Testing that midpoint. 1-hour chart. Higher high, higher low. Testing that imbalance area. And the far left 15-minute chart. Look at that green candle. Bullish pin bar. Deep retracement in those imbalance areas. Thank goodness I have not taken a short. Sitting on hands. 9:38. 1-minute chart. Yeah, Thank goodness I did not go long yet. Look at that, 1 minute. Deep retracement. So this golden area is my New York first 15-minute session. So I have it labeled high and low for that first 15-minute session. Obviously, it's not done yet. It doesn't get done until 9:45. Just that key area, I want to be situation awareness. Typically don't want to take a trade in that first 15 minutes. And look at that too. We broke below those key levels. Well, look at the 5-minute chart. It's that yellow horizontal line. Remember, that's where I took my first trade on that breakout. We're deep retracement there. So thank goodness that first trade I did not stay in because we've done 100% retracement and now we're below it. And we went to that next swing low, the one that formed at 6 o'clock. I am scalping. I'm not investing in these. 0944, 1 minute before that left candle gets done. Look at that 15-minute candle, deep retracement. So sure, I could have taken bearish trades, but I'm leaning bullish bias. Didn't take it. Left money on the table. But thank goodness I did not go bullish neither. Sitting on hands. Zero 0944, 1 minute before that first 15 minutes gets done. So look at the left grid, building a consolidation around that swing point. Buyers are stepping in there. I don't feel confident to take a trade yet, so I'm not. Zero 0945, 15-minute candle's done. That golden area already had label and made a reversal right there. Look at that 1 minute reversal. Grid on the right, the 5-minute also making reversal, higher high, higher low. And look at that last 5-minute candle, because there's 3 5-minute candles in that golden area on the 5-minute chart on the far right. That was a bullish pin bar. Bullish pin bar. Broke above that. Trading opportunity. I didn't take it. Nope. With that 5-minute chart now. 0950. Lower low, lower high. Thank goodness. Let me go back. I'll show you again. 0946. Green candle. On the 5-minute chart, green candle. On the left chart, both trending up. But I don't feel confident to want to take a position yet. 0950. And thank goodness, because look, the prices are back down. Smack down. 0953. So on the left, that 1-minute chart, huge consolidation on those minutes, building energy for a breakout there. Look at that 1-minute candle, the current one on the far left, green. Broke above that inside candle. I was thinking of taking a trade right there on that breakout. I didn't because we didn't break out that swing high yet, which was a little above the 6074. Yep. So I have an imbalance area labeled on top. I drew it off the 5-minute. I'm thinking, yep, that's where we might run up to the upside. But I wanted to get more confirmation before I took a long. So I didn't. If I did, again, I would have taken it as soon as it broke above that yellow candle on 1 minute with my stop just below that. 0959. Another trigger I liked, but I didn't take it. 1-minute chart, that red bullish pin bar. Deep retracement, big wick. Went inside that yellow candle. That was my sweet spot to take the trade after that. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Yep, after that got done. Nice deep retracement. Knocking out all those longs. New buyers stepping in. And a tight consolidation right there. Top of the hour, 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 o'clock, top of the hour. That 1 hour is done. And the 15-minute chart done on those 2 left grids. Look at the 15-minute chart on the far left. Inside candle. Bottom of a trend. And look at those double wicks on that 15-minute chart on the left. The yellow candle and the red candle. Big wicks. Buyers stepped there on the bottom. Nice. Also in that imbalance area. Sorry. That gray zone on the 15-minute, that's actually midpoint of that big red candle. And then you can see on the 1 hour chart, that red candle where we went down and tested and closed above those imbalance areas and midpoints. 10:01. Look at the left chart, the 1 minute. We went right where I thought we were going to go, into that imbalance area. Yeah, I never took the trade. I never took the bullish trade. Trading above it, nice. That would have been my third trade. That would have been a winner if I took it. But okay, 2 trades, both winners, both longs. $10.03, again, higher high. Nice. Right there, took that trade. See that? I'll go back again. 10.01, nice breakout above that imbalance area. Next 1 minute candle, inside candle. And after that inside candle, broke above it, I went long. See that gray line? Vertical. I went long. 10.03, got long, filled at 680. And closed. That purple line, I switched. Was the long where I entered, and that green is where I went out. So went long 10.03, 680. Closed for a profit, 608, 150. Nice. So 2 trades. I still got in, took a profit. That was a fast scalp. But again, if I went earlier, after that inside candle, my gains would have been better. My profit would have been better, I mean. Yeah. So 10.05. See the radar, how we're going. 10.15. So we see 10.15, that huge green candle on the left chart got done. And huge wick. Wow. You can also see on the 1 hour how things are progressing. 10.20 on the 1 minute, 5 minute chart. Yep. So you can see from the 1 minute chart, I didn't sell at the top. Nope. I still made profits. That green line went a little bit higher after that. Vertical green line is where I got out. You can see after it went a little bit higher and then a retracement. So again, happy camper, didn't lose. Consolidation, building on the 1 minute, getting ready to shut down. And look at the 1 minute. I'm in the 5 minute on the far right, consolidation. 10.20, just looking at the radar again. Radar multiple time frames. So came back the afternoon, 14.20, 220 free civilians, looking at the 5 minute chart. You can see, again, far left, that green zone, Asian session, the purple, London session, and after that, the New York session. Huge volatility. 14.20 on the radar. Yeah. Things progressing. A lot of whipsaw. And let's go back here on the radar here. Show you this. Going to go to 5 minute chart. The situation go on the 5 minute. Big consolidation here since the afternoon on the 5 minute, but we have made higher highs. Zoom in here, you can see again the 5 minutes where my trades were. The green vertical lines is where I closed. The purple ones where I went long. Again, this is the 5 minute, but I was doing my trades off the 1 minute. Nice. Not getting out exactly at the highs, but locking in profits. Again, I choose this financial instrument. Tight spreads, high liquidity. Hey, I choose this one because it's a winner. I got documentation of it. But you go ahead and choose that other financial instrument, whatever it may be. Don't struggle. I don't choose crypto. I don't choose penny stocks. I choose futures for day trading. Works for me. Thank you as always for spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.